Hey everybody, it's Friday, September 26, 2025. I'm Patrick, disabled investor on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan. And today, like most days this month, I didn't do anything to contribute to it other than not doing anything, which actually contributes to it. I share what I do on a daily basis so that it helps myself stay accountable and other people who want to learn from my mistakes avoid doing what I'm doing. Today, my portfolio gained about $1,400 to end the day, just shy of $157,000. Could have been better, could have been worse, but as I said, it didn't do anything to contribute to the change in value today. Just kind of waited, and just as well because the more you monkey with it, the more you make a mess sometimes. That's what I think is going on with my portfolio. I've only made 9 trades this month in September, so this is not uncharacteristic. I am still considering making some drastic changes to my portfolio, which I mentioned a couple of days ago. I'm thinking of getting rid of a lot of the shares that I have and just buying options that are deep in the money for those particular shares. But some of those options run, a lot more money than I have. So, I'm thinking of being very strategic about it. Anyways, don't know what else to tell you. It was one of those days when I didn't do much. Just kind of took advantage of the day, went for a walk, enjoyed life, and avoided doing too much. And as a result, I'm up $1,400. So that was a good day. Anyways, hope you had a good one. How was your trading session? Please let me know. Thanks for watching.